The new space economy: players, challenges, and stakes. The new space economy is worth more than $400 billion, expected to reach $1 trillion by 2040. It includes private taxis into space, constellations of satellites encircling the Earth, and space stations where businesses can do research or film movies. Elon Musk and his rocket company SpaceX have established themselves as leaders by building a reusable rocket. Musk's ultimate goal is to colonize Mars, but for now, SpaceX is giving rides to space to the ultra-wealthy. Jeff Bezos and Blue Origin. Jeff Bezos sees space as a way to preserve Earth and is using private citizens to practice sending rockets. Blue Origin allows customers to sign up for flights on its website. Richard Branson's company, Virgin Galactic, has reopened ticket sales for space flights for $450,000 each. Satellites and the new space economy. The space tourism sector is not the major sector for contributing to the space economy. Satellites, including communication and telecommunication sectors, are the primary contributors. The satellites are mostly in 3 orbits, with low Earth orbit, LEO, being the hotspot for satellites. The space billionaires have received a lot of criticism for spending their wealth on businesses that are giving joyrides to other billionaires. But others say they're laying the groundwork for an industry that will become more accessible someday. The space tourism sector is just the tip of the iceberg for the new space economy. The communication and telecommunication sectors, and new constellations of satellites, are the major sectors contributing to the $400 billion space industry. Satellites transmit TV signals, phone calls, GPS locations, military information, weather, and support e-commerce, navigation, and transactions. Satellites are mostly in 3 orbits: low Earth orbit, LEO, medium Earth orbit, MEO, and geosynchronous, GEO, orbit. LEO is the hotspot for satellites because the closer the satellite is to the Earth's surface, the faster it works. Elon Musk has launched around 2,000 satellites, contributing to the $400 billion space industry. Jeff Bezos sees space as a way to preserve the planet by moving heavy and polluting industry into space. He views sending private citizens into space as a way to practice. Blue Origin allows people to sign up for flights on its website, but it doesn't give the cost. Sir Richard Branson founded Virgin Galactic in 2004, but the company repeatedly delayed and eventually shelved plans to start private space flights after a fatal rocket crash. As of February 2022, it has reopened ticket sales for $450,000 each. The communication and telecommunication sectors, as well as new constellations of satellites orbiting the Earth, are major contributors to the space economy. Satellites transmit TV signals, phone calls, GPS locations, military information, weather information, and more. Space supports e-commerce, navigation, ATM transactions, and other systems that people depend on every day. The space billionaires have received criticism for spending their wealth on businesses that are giving joyrides to other billionaires. However, some argue that they are laying the groundwork for an industry that will become more accessible someday. The future of the new space economy. The new space economy has high stakes, as it is not just about exploring the unknown and advancing science and technology, but also about shaping the future of human civilization. Space exploration and colonization may offer solutions to Earth's problems, such as resource depletion, environmental degradation, and overpopulation. However, there are also risks and challenges involved, such as space debris, radiation exposure, and geopolitical conflicts. Therefore, it is important to approach the new space economy with caution and responsibility. In conclusion, the new space economy is a rapidly growing industry worth billions of dollars. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are pioneering new technologies and services that are transforming the space sector. While some criticize these companies for focusing on space tourism rather than addressing more pressing issues on Earth, others believe they are laying the groundwork for an industry that could have far-reaching benefits in the future. As the space economy continues to expand, it will be interesting to see how it evolves and what new opportunities it brings. Like and subscribe for more news from space.